Now next we'll install SAP Cloud Connector. For that, go to the website tools.hana.ondemand.com. Here go to Cloud, and for Cloud Connector installation we require two files. One is SAP JVM. If you don't have that JVM installed on our local machine, and second, the SAP Cloud Connector file. So first we have to install SAP JVM based on our system setting. So here I'll go with Windows. Click on this zip file. And here first save this JVM file on our local machine, and then we have to place this JVM file folder into Java folder. So what I will do, I will keep this into the download folder first, SAP JVM 8. If you already have the JVM folder in our Java folder, we don't require this. But if not, then we have to install this SAP JVM folder and keep this folder into the Java directory. And the complete part is C, program files, Java, and then we have to place this folder. Once the download is done for SAP JVM, go to the path where you have stored that, go inside and copy this folder SAP JVM 8, copy, and then go to the path as C drive program files / Java, and here you can see currently there is no JVM folder is there. This read the administrator permission. Let's continue. This will take some time to install that folder into this Java folder. So we just have to copy and paste that folder in this directory. There is no further installation required. Now once this step is done, after placing this SAP JVM file into Java directory, go back and now install the Cloud Connector file. So here we can see Cloud Connector, and here we have to install this file windows.msi. The path install download. Once this is done, go to that folder and run that .msi file. Now go to the required folder, go to the folder where we have installed that file. Hello dot, let me check. Here enter SAP CC and double click on this file. Welcome to Cloud Connector Setup Wizard. Click on Next. Keep the default directory as it is, no need to change. This is the port 8443. With this we'll run this SAP Cloud Connector like localhost / 8443. Click on Next. And here we have to change this directory to the SAP JVM directory. Click on Browse. Just go to Java and select this SAP JVM _8, which we have just placed in that directory. Click on OK. Next, start Cloud Connector after finishing the setup. Next. Click on Yes. Wait for some time. Now you can see Cloud Connector has been successfully installed. Click Close to exit. Now try to access the SAP Cloud Connector. Here we have to enter https://localhost the port number 8443. This is the URL. To access the SAP Cloud Connector, press Enter, click on Advanced, proceed to localhost, and save. So here we can see the login screen for SAP Cloud Connector. The default user ID for this is administrator, and the password is manage all in small letter, MANAGE. Click on login. When we log in the first time, system will ask us to change the password. So change the password as per our requirement. Here we have to enter the current password as it is manage all in small, and here give the new password and click on save. Okay, so till now our SAP Cloud Connector installation is done successfully. We are able to access the SAP Cloud Connector with this URL, and we have also logged in and changed the password. Now the next step is first to make a connection between SAP BTP Cockpit and Cloud Connector, and then we will make a connection between on-premises S4HANA system and the Cloud Connector. That we'll learn in the next step.